Dell XPS 15 motherboard. I'll show you what's going on under the microscope. Alright, let's get both of these in view for you as much as we can. Alright, as you can see, this guy doesn't move. However, this guy does. So that's our problem today. USBC port replacement. We'll get set up and go from there. While I'm setting up my equipment, I will throw up my expected temperatures for this job. As always, they're subject to change. Alright, so we're going to do what we always do, at least on the anchor points. I'm going to low melt them. I don't think I want to use low melt on the pins, because what I may end up doing is just hot swapping this thing in. I want to leave that option open anyway. But we are going to low melt the anchors for sure. For that, we'll be using the micro pencil. Okay, let's get these anchors flooded, as I was attempting to do before a phone call. Part of the business when you're the lone tech. Loan anything. I hate it when it climbs up the iron like that. Alright, I think that will do. We'll start at 380 here. See if that will do the work. Something nearby that I can burn. I do have a way of clearing these holes if they're stubborn, but I may just, like I say, hot swap it. And it'd be easier just to flow it in. And try to clear those out. Alright, we're going to start concentrating in on the center. Probably use some flux in that area. It'll stay there. We may mix in some lead when we get to the point of replacing this. Alright, let's double check that and make sure it went alright. Alright, so it does have, well, they're all through all, so I'm not that worried. Looks like we may have left some behind. Well, yeah, pretty much the whole row. But that's better than pull pads any day. Let's get all those off carefully. Alright, we're going to need some precision tweezers here for this part. Let's add some lighted, give it some help. Precision tweezers were a nice idea, but not practical for getting a grip. Something that clearly wants it needs to have a grip. Something stuck in there pretty good. This might be a rare use case for my hot tweezers. We'll see. I'm not optimistic. I'm never optimistic about the tweezers. Are you going to work on any of them? This is being a super pain. Trying to push them through, I guess. Maybe easier to mount the other side. Probably not. Probably not helping my cause. Make me wake these things up, aren't they? I was kind of hoping to avoid doing that. So it looks like we have to do some wicking. I don't want to have to wick. Just unleaded. Ideally, I would like to avoid hot air, but I think hot air is going to have to be our method for clearing these out. Those broken pins are really a problem. use a needle. Broken pins complicate things. Complicate what should be kind of a simple repair. Alright, so we got a couple of them out. The one I have to worry about. Ideally, we would like to not push it back in. Should help to be able to see. Alright, pull down. Good. Deal with the other pins while we're here. Alright, I think we got them all the time. No collateral damage that I see. Okay, final inspection. Anchor points and everything underneath looks alright. And we're well soldered down on the top side. So that's it. That's really all there was to this repair. If you have any, in summary, it was just a port. Just a port replacement. They jammed it pretty good, broke off a bunch of pins. A bunch of pins were broke off in the through hole. So it was a little more complicated than a typical port change, but we got it done. If you have any questions about the equipment I use in this video, take a look in the description below. Everything should be Amazon linked down there that can be. If you click on any of those links and buy anything during that session, a small portion of that will come back to help support the channel. We greatly appreciate that. There are also some other support links in the description if you want to take advantage of those instead. If you like the video, do me a favor and hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like it, hit the subscribe button, maybe the notification bell, and you'll know when I post videos. That's really all I have to ask of you. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you next time.